I notice commonly is whenever we go out and speak about Param, it is a very new concept for people. It takes some time for them to understand, but everyone is fascinated. Everyone wants to know more about it.
Here in India, because of lack of resources, the ecosystem where there is collective intelligence used to create fantastic productions which can be seen by everybody.
If someone wants to create a huge sculpture, here not that much space. If that one drama troupe wants to rehearse with big area, but we have to cater them.
We want to promote local talent, get them to connect with national talent, and together we want to travel the world.
Where everybody come together, we collaborate on building this immersive experience.
Param is one identity which has these three ingredients: science, culture, and history, where each individual element loses their identity to become one. So that is Param.
I believe in three different things. One is Pramoda, that is entertainment, Prabodha, which is education, and Prakarsha, which is elevation.
People here come from very diverse backgrounds. We have coders, scientists, writers, we have poets, we have the designers, the architects, the core engineers.
Create an ecosystem and a platform. Over the next few years, we will open multiple centers, each connected, collaborating, and becoming this place where artists, innovators, students, teachers, from our ecosystem, people coming and having a dialogue, how we can improve education, how we can take our heritage and culture not only in India to different places, but across the globe.
So when we build centers, we don't build them as pieces, isolated pieces. We build them as nodes, part of a bigger network. One is our main center, one of the biggest in the world. One is our Jayanagar center, which is small. And one is our innovation office. What is important is all these centers work with each other. They cannot survive in isolation. They're independent, but they have to learn and work with each other.
Here we have a 250 room with culture, history, with the science. These three is the best combination. I think nowhere in the world, these three together they have a center or experience center.
It will not become any museum or it will not become any gallery. It is more engaging. So we thought of creating an experience center.
I think this is the best place to spend time with your family or friends.
So we want to make this as a very interactive, immersive, inclusive, and which will inspire them. So we utilize all whatever the existing modern cutting edge technology and also the interactive like AR, VR or the multi-dimensional screenings, all those things.
Organization is really collaborative. It's really creative. Extract curiosity and bring scientific experiences to. As an organization, we get to interact with many people and then bring that to them. It celebrates many perspectives.
Then we have a fabulous advisory committee which consists of every walk of life, be it law, be it science, be it art. Everybody is there in that who is really adding value to every creation that's happening at Param.
Two things. One is transparency and accountability. Drive scalability and also trust in all our stakeholders, be it donors or customers, clients, vendors and collaborators, all categories of stakeholders. The best thing about working here is nobody fears to give a try. Nobody fears to fail here.
Param has good initiation, good minds, good heart, good resources, great people who are working. So together we have to make a great impact on the world.
And be a part of a project which is going to redefine the future of the nation.